Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious whipped cream using Kremdensada. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 1 can of very cold Kremdensada, about 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Make sure your Kremdensada is thoroughly chilled. This is key for a successful whip. Also, have a large mixing bowl and an electric mixer ready. Now for a crucial step. Chill your mixing bowl and the beaters in the freezer for at least 15 minutes. This helps the cream stay cold and whip up beautifully. Once chilled, pour the entire can of cold Kremdensada into your prepared bowl. Start your electric mixer on a low speed, then gradually increase it to a medium setting. We are just beginning to incorporate air. As your Kremdensada starts to thicken slightly, it is time to add the flavor. Carefully incorporate the 1/4 cup of powdered sugar and the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Continue whipping on a medium-high speed. Keep mixing until the cream transforms into a light, airy, and fluffy consistency. You will know it is ready when stiff peaks form and hold their shape perfectly when you lift the beaters. Congratulations! Your delightful homemade Kremdensada whipped cream is now perfectly ready to enjoy. It is wonderful served immediately with fresh berries, pies, cakes, or even hot chocolate. For any leftovers, simply transfer them to an airtight container. Store it in the refrigerator and it will stay fresh and delicious for up to 3 days. Enjoy your creamy creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.